Good afternoon. You are welcomed by Citadel Watch Company. I present to you a luxury Patek Philippe Co 102148 watch dating from circa 1895 to 1900. This watch has been fully serviced and is in sure running condition, confirming its excellent condition and reliability. The dial of this watch is original and has been meticulously restored to restore its pristine appearance and charm. All parts of the movement of the watch are also original, which gives this model a special historical value. The case of the watch is made of steel, which ensures strength and durability. Its size is an impressive 47 mm, which makes this model quite large and impressive on the wrist. The watch features an alligator leather strap that has just been replaced with a new one, giving it a fresh and stylish look. The stainless steel clasp with the brand logo is an added accent of luxury and elegance. This watch was manufactured in Switzerland, a country with a rich heritage and the highest quality in watchmaking. The watch is mechanical, which gives it a special charm and makes it particularly attractive to collectors and connoisseurs of traditional watchmaking technology. With a power reserve of 34 hours, you can enjoy your time without having to wind the watch frequently. The watch has the basic functions of displaying hours, minutes and seconds, making it a practical and reliable accessory for timekeeping in everyday life. The dial is in good condition and there is no damage to the watch, indicating that it has been meticulously cared for and retains its original appearance. Patek Philippe Co 102148 is a true work of watchmaking art that combines elegance, luxury, and unrivaled quality. They will be a piece of jewelry for every owner and will convey a piece of history and craftsmanship in watchmaking. Good shopping and have a great day.